How to make a portfolio website using WordPress. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own portfolio website for free without having to purchase hosting or without having to purchase WordPress. So let's jump right in. To get started, simply head on over to pantheon.io. Now, pantheon.io is an online platform that allows you to host your WordPress site and use WordPress without having to purchase WordPress or purchase hosting. Simply head on over to pantheon.io and then click on Get Started. Now, once you click on Get Started, you have a simple sign up process. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log on to my account. For your sign up, you just have to provide your email address, create a suitable password, and that is about it. Once you have done that, it will be led to your Pantheon dashboard. Now, with Pantheon, you can create 2 free websites. So in your sites, you're going to click on Create New Site. And once you do that, you're going to proceed with your new setup for your WordPress site. So we want to build a portfolio website, and this is going to be Lily's Photography, like this. So once I have proceeded with the name of my Pantheon site, I'm going to click on Continue. And once I click on Continue, I can proceed on to the next step, which is the deployment of WordPress. Now keep in mind, you also have the option to choose a region to host your site, and you can just leave it at the default or whichever one is closest to you. Now, once you've done that, you have to start with your CMS, which is WordPress for us. So simply click on Deploy against WordPress. And once you have done that, your WordPress CMS is currently going to be deployed. So this allows you to not have to purchase WordPress. You can use WordPress completely. You can publish your site. You can use the full functionality of WordPress without having to worry about expiring subscriptions or without having to worry about your hosting or website uptimes. With Pantheon, you get a great website uptime. Your website is going to be live and your portfolio can always be available when people are looking for it. We're going to wait a couple of seconds for this to be deployed. So now that WordPress has been deployed on our site, we can click on Visit Your Pantheon Site dashboard, and this will open up our Pantheon site. Now from here, you're going to click on Visit Developmental Site over here. And once you do that, this will open up your WordPress installation. So over here, choose your language and then click on Continue. And then you're going to sign up on WordPress as you regularly would. So you're just going to complete your information over here. So this is the title of my website, which is Lily's Photography. And then after that, we're going to add a username. Once we do that, we can add our email address over here as well. And after that, we're going to click on Install WordPress. Once we've done that, we can just click on, I'm going to save this, and we're just going to click on Login over here. And you're just going to log into your WordPress site via Pantheon. You're going to click on Login over here to log into your site. And just like that, you have your site created. Now, by default, if you click on Visit Site, this is what your standard site template looks like. To get started with converting this into our portfolio, we can either use the standard WordPress editor, or you can proceed with a plugin which allows you to browse templates and create amazing pages with templates. So I prefer using templates simply because they provide you with a lot of variety and they provide you with a really customized appearance. But if you want to edit, your site regularly, the WordPress site editor is not that bad. You can do a lot with the WordPress site editor as well, especially if you're just looking to build a portfolio. It's very simple to use. Simply open up your site editor, and then from here, you're going to select each individual element that you want to edit. So here we have our logo, which I don't have one, so I'm going to leave it. And I'm going to take this navigation. We have a simple navigation bar, which looks pretty decent. This is the design of our header. And what I'm going to do, I think I want to alter the header a bit. So we can open this up from the right. and we can click on the styles on the right as well. We can choose our block spacing as well as the width, the typography, and colors that we want to use. Let's say I want black colored text and I want a gray background, so I can do that for my navigation, or if I want to apply this throughout my entire page, throughout my entire header, I can do that as well. And you can click on the block over here to also alter the design. So you guys can see there are several different types of designs that you can use if you want to have a header that is blended in like so. I think this looks better. I'm going to use that, and then you can click on over here, open this up, and then from the block editor, you're going to go into cover, scroll down, and you have your image. So you have a fixed background. You're going to click on clear media, and then you're going to add your own, HTML file. You can upload your own file if you want, or you can also choose one of the free, files available. This is totally up to you and how you want to design your site. Now, if you want to go with a more, definitive look, you can build everything up from scratch. But I'm going to show you guys how you can also alter your website with templates. So for a portfolio website, it really matters that you're able to display your work in a really efficient way. So to do that, just go into plugins on the left on your dashboard. In your plugins, you're going to you're going to go into add new plugin. Once you go into add new plugin, you're going to search for starter templates. And starter templates is a plugin that allows you to really elevate your site. You're just going to click on install now. And once you click on install now, your plugin is now installed, and you're going to go ahead and click on installed plugins. Then you're going to see it over here. Click on activate. Once you click on activate, you're going to be able to use some of the pre-made styles that are available on their platform. We're going to wait for this plugin to be activated. And once this has been activated, you're going to click on get started. And once you click on get started, you will see you have two options. You can build with AI or build with templates. Just open up the build with template section and you can choose the type of website you're looking to build. So you're going to go into personal sites and go into portfolio and CV, and you will see some premium and some free templates available for portfolio website. Choose a template that looks most similar to what you want to build. So I want to build something like this. It looks really nice. And there's a personal portfolio. There are a lot of different options. We can also filter them out as well. So I'm going to scroll down, and I think I want to use, there are so many nice templates over here. I'm almost uncertain what I want to use. I think I like this one. So I'm just going to click on this, and then you can choose the color palette, the site logo, the font styles, and then click on continue. You can select the features you want, and then click on continue and just submit and build your website. And then after that, this plugin will be installed and the theme will be installed onto WordPress, and then you can customize it to your own liking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.